Hi, this is John Curran. Over the years, I've noticed that many people, including myself, were running on empty, physically, mentally, and emotionally. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the first pillar of Reclaiming Me framework. This is where real change begins. Not with doing more, but with understanding what's actually draining your energy in the first place. There came a moment when I realized something had to change. I couldn't keep living at low energy, and I wanted a practical way to reclaim it. Through research, reflection, and personal experimentation, I discovered strategies that really work, not quick fixes, but real-life tools. I wrote Reclaiming Me to share these strategies with anyone looking to regain their energy, focus, and sense of self. This first pillar is where everything begins. A lot of people want to jump straight to solutions, but without this foundation, nothing else really sticks. In the next video, I'll walk you through the second pillar and why it only works when this first piece is in place. If this resonates, please pick up a copy of Reclaiming Me and subscribe here for more insights to reclaim your energy and your health. I'll see you in the next video.